Hi guys, this is review exam 2 uh, for Math 109 M1 Algebra and Trig. Question 5, the hard one. And this is part 1. It's going to take me 2 videos to do this one. We'll start by talking about the common denominator. And okay, and that's going to be the product of these two denominators. But I'm going to reverse the order of this guy, of the first guy over there. So I'm going, instead of saying 3x plus 2, I'm going to say 2 plus 3x. So this is going to be 2 plus 3x. And then we're going to multiply that by 2 minus 3x. But that, now, this is a form you should recognize, the sum and difference of the same terms. So it's going to be the square of the first minus the square of the second. So we're going to have 4 minus the square of 3x. So the square of 2 is 4. The square of 3x is going to be, oops, that's not what I want to do, 9x squared. And that's what we're going to have, 4 minus 9x squared. And that's going to be the common denominator. Now I'm going to multiply by either this guy, the left side, or the right side, everything here, to make it turn this into a not fraction problem. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply this guy, and this guy by either this product or this guy. So we're going to take, so I'm going to build now this guy. So we're going to take 2 plus 3x times 2 minus 3x times 1 over 3x plus 2. And then we're going to subtract from this 2 plus 3x times 2 minus 3x times 2 over 2 minus 3x. And then on top of that, and I'm going to give myself a little more space to do this, I'm going to take that is equal to 3 times 4 minus 9x squared. And then I'm going to start canceling stuff. So 2 plus 3x is the same thing as 3x plus 2. So that denominator cancels. 2 minus 3x cancels 2 minus 3x. And so I'm going to end up with 2 minus 3x times 1, which is 2 minus 3x, minus 2, that's the 2 over here, this 2 times 2 plus 3x, and that's going to equal 3 times 4 minus 9x squared. Now I'll do some distributing. I'll distribute the 2 and the 3 here. So we'll get 2 minus 3x, and then minus 2 times 2, which becomes minus 4, and then minus 2 times 3x becomes minus 6x. And that's going to equal 3 times 4, which is 12, minus 3 times 9, which is 27x squared. Now, you notice I have some x's and some x squareds. That's going to be important. So the next step is going to be to take combine like terms. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Put that in math mode. Minus 3x minus 6x is minus 9x. And that's going to equal 12 minus 27x squared. We'll add 2 plus 9x to both sides to get something to turn it into a roots problem. 9x. And so this is going to turn into 0 equals 12 plus 2 is 14. 9x has no common term, so it just becomes 9x minus 27x squared. And we'll turn that into the normal form, so we'll put the x squared in the front, and then the 9x, and then the 14. And now we have a roots problem. What is the roots of this quadratic? And I will go over that in part 2.